Do you like art challenges? Let's draw the number 6, 7 in 7 different styles. Challenge 1 is the bubble number. Grab a marker and choose your favorite color. Draw a big bubble outline of 6, 7. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can fix it later. Add highlights. Color the number, but leave the highlights white. Adjust the shape as you go. Bubble 6, 7 is complete. Are you ready for more? Challenge 2 is the scribble number. Grab some crayons and pick a few colors. Scribble all over your paper. Add circles in different sizes. Draw the outline of number 6, 7 with a black crayon. Press hard to make the thick outline around your shapes. Then press gently to blend the soft shadow. Scribble 6, 7 is complete. Are you ready for more? Challenge 3 is the 3D number. Lightly draw the outline of number 6, 7 with a pencil. Make the corners sharp. When you like the shape, trace it darker. Draw diagonal lines going the same direction to add dimension. Connect the diagonal lines and follow the shape of your number. Shade the top lightly. Shade the diagonal side dark. On curved sides, blend from dark to light. Add medium shading to the vertical side and dark to the diagonal like you did before. "3D 6, 7 is complete. Are you ready for more? Challenge 4 is the outline bubble number. Use black paper. Draw a light bubble outline with white pastel or oil pastel. If you like it, trace it over with more pressure. Choose light colors. Stay inside the shape and follow the outlines as if it was a second outline. Switch colors as you go. Draw one short piece at a time. Add strong and soft highlights with white. Outline bubble 6, 7 is complete. Are you ready for more? Challenge 5 is the opart number. Opart tricks your eyes. Lightly draw the outlines of number 6, 7 with a pencil. Use a ruler and marker to draw straight lines across the paper. Change direction. Draw horizontal and slightly diagonal lines. Color the first digit in every second stripe. Color the second digit in the same stripes. Erase the pencil lines. It looks like the number is hiding behind the lines. Opart 6, 7 is complete. Are you ready for more? Challenge 6 is the painted marker number. Lightly draw the outlines of number 6, 7 with a pencil. Use washable markers. Trace the outline in short sections, changing colors as you go. Use one color for each small part. With clean water, paint over the marker. Watch how it turns into paint. Rinse your brush between colors. Painted marker 6, 7 is complete. Are you ready for the last one? Challenge 7 is the surreal number. Surreal means strange and surprising. Draw the outline of number 6, 7 lightly with colored pencil. Trace it darker when you like the shape. Shade darker near the edges and lighter in the middle. Inside the number 6, draw an eye. Add the black pupil with a small white highlight. Choose the color of the eye and use different shades of that color for blending. Shade the iris darker on the outside and lighter in the center. Add short lines for texture. Outline the number in black and add spiky lines around it. Surreal 6, 7 is complete. I hope you had fun creating the number 6, 7 in different styles. See you in the next tutorial.